Yes, you can convert engine displacement directly using dimensional analysis by writing the volume with its unit and multiplying by conversion fractions that cancel unwanted units and introduce the desired units. Think of dimensional analysis like a chain of stepping stones that let you move from one unit to another without changing the actual amount. So you write the displacement, for example, 6.20 liters, then multiply by a fraction that equals 1 but converts liters to cubic feet, like 1 cubic foot over 28.316,846, 6 liters. And if you need cubic inches, multiply further by 1,728 cubic inches over 1 cubic foot, so units cancel along the way. You always check that units cancel, so the only units left are the ones you want, and you can carry the numeric value through the multiplications to get the final number in the new units. Students often forget to keep units attached to every number and then cannot see which units cancel, so always write units with each factor and cancel them like you cancel numbers. Another common mistake is using an incorrect conversion factor, or a wrong power when converting cubic units. So remember that converting cubic units requires cubing the linear conversion, or using an established volume factor for 90-degree conversions. Some people confuse significant figures and round too early. So do all multiplication with full precision and round only the final result to keep accuracy. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources that walk through dimensional analysis step by step.